my channel. My name is Courtney and I am so excited that you are here today. Today, just like the title suggests, we are doing a Coach haul or a Coach unboxing. I actually have several items that I picked up during the holiday season, November, December, and I just have not gotten around to showing you all or doing the unboxing or the haul here. And so I have waited a couple months now to use my new items so that I could show you guys first before I used them. So I am eager to use these items that I picked up, but also wanted to share them with you guys first. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. I have 2 handbags and 2 smaller items or 2 like accessory items that I picked up. So let's go ahead and see what I picked up. I will show you guys all of the fun stuff. One of them I did unbox because it was not gift wrapped, so it wouldn't have been that pretty to unbox, but we will start with that item since it's already unboxed and out, but it does still have some packaging on it. So the first item that I picked up from Coach, I did pick up the Coach Swinger bag. So it is, I think this is the Swinger 20, but I could be wrong on that, but it's just, maybe it's not, maybe it's just the Coach Swinger. So I did pick up the Coach Swinger bag. So we'll go ahead and just take all this fun stuff off here and show you a little bit more what the bag is. It's a basic black bag that I did pick up. Obviously you could see that. So a lot of Coach items that I pick up end up having 2 different straps, which I love, that it becomes a little bit more versatile and that you don't have to pick up these accessories extra. You don't have to buy extra straps. You can absolutely buy extra straps from Coach. Fun gold chain straps, different leather, I think different leather straps, I could be wrong on that, but you can pick up a bunch of different straps to personalize your item, but they tend to give you multiple options and multiple ways to wear the bags, which I can really appreciate. And I do believe that that's very high quality leather that you're getting. So a dream of mine would be to own a Gucci, a Louis Vuitton, you know, bag. I think Gucci over Louis Vuitton, honestly, nowadays, but that would be my dream. And I went to go purchase one for myself after I received a bonus last year at work, and I just couldn't pull the trigger because I think that I get a high quality bag out of Coach, a nice leather bag, and it's not $1,000+ $1,500. I could buy multiple bags with $1,500 at Coach instead of just one, but we'll see. It's my dream. One day I will maybe pull the trigger. I have another bonus coming up and maybe I'll do so to treat myself for my birthday in March. Stay tuned. Of course, I'll share with you guys if that's the case. All right, getting all the packaging off. So let me just kind of, what I liked about the Coach Swinger was this detail with the zipper. You have the ability to lock the zipper so that you can't slide the zipper back and forth. So we can do a deeper dive into these handbags if you're interested. This is black leather. Bottom says genuine glove tanned leather. Sorry, genuine glove tanned leather. I love this detail that they've been putting on the bottom of their bags recently. And it's a small shoulder bag. I do love the shoulder bag strap. The Swinger, I don't think this is the Swinger 20. And then of course you get your dust bag inside. And it is stuffed. I'm gonna leave it that way for right now since I'm not going to carry it. But just a small shoulder bag. You get the nice thicker shoulder strap here, but you also receive the crossbody strap that is adjustable. So you can adjust it just like a belt. And same thing, it's, you know, black with the gold or brass hardware. So that's the first bag that we got. And like I said, I'm showing this one first because it wasn't packaged pretty. I didn't do gift wrapping on this one. I'm just going to attach the crossbody strap so that we can set it off to the side. And then normally when it comes with a crossbody strap, I let the shoulder strap hang and I just leave it, and it adds like a nice little detail onto the side. So this is the first bag that I picked up from Coach, the Swinger in black and brass. All right, the next items that I picked up are 2 accessories. So we'll start there because they're right in front of me. These ones are gift wrapped and they are holiday gift wrapped. So the first item, a little black box with the red ribbon. And then these do come with little holiday tags. So if you're interested in next holiday season, you can get these cute little holiday tags that go like in the packaging to and from. And then the other item that I picked up is in this little box here. The intention of setting these under the tree for myself, but we're just gonna go ahead and open this one. And obviously I did not do that. They've been sitting in the box that they were delivered in. So undid the ribbon opening up the box, you get the nice little, this is the Coach box, 75% recycled material, blah, blah, blah. Inside, little gift wrap. And you can always ask that your items be gift wrap. I do it all the time because it's a fun experience and it's free gift wrapping. And then opening up inside, I get my little dust bag with my item. I almost forgot what I ordered. And in here, I did order a little card case. So this is gonna be in that like new seafoamish green shade that they have. You get 3 card slots back here, or 2 card slots, 1 card slot and 1 ID slot, and then you have another little slot right here, and then a little zipper pouch. I use these pretty much for my wallets exclusively now, and then inside the zipper pouch is a little key ring if you wanted to add a little key in there. But I use these pretty much as my wallets exclusively now. I find them really convenient, and sometimes I use mini bags, and so these fit really nice like with my phone in there. But this is the card case that I got. I don't remember the color or what the color is called. This is in the shade Sage. So there is that. I'm gonna put that back into the little dust bag here, and I am gonna get rid of the packaging. I don't need it any longer. All right, next up I do have this box, a little bit deeper box. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So just grab the ribbon, pull that. And then this box, I believe is, yeah, a little magnetized box, which I really like. It's almost like a little watch box. And then inside you do have a little tissue paper and then the item in its little dust bag as well. I do keep these dust bags. I don't always store in my dust bags. I should probably do that, but I like to kind of see what options I have. But I do keep them because they're really good for like traveling. You can throw jewelry in them and all kinds of different things. So I did pick up a keychain to personalize my bags. I keep seeing people do really cute personalization, and I love Coach. I've loved Coach since I was a young girl. I've talked about it in other videos, the first expensive handbag that I purchased was from Coach. I saved up for my first job working at Mervyn's, if you remember Mervyn's. And ever since then, I've loved Coach, and I was sad that they kind of like fell off the radar for a little bit. I'm so sorry, the lighting is changing, but they are back, and their mascot is the T-Rex, Rexy. So I did pick up a little Rexy charm. I personally love dinosaurs as well, so it kind of fits. And then the back has the monogram CC, and then it does have the brass like D-ring or ring here, key ring. And so that is what I picked up to personalize my bag, is a little Rexy, and I think he's cute. He can go on black, chalk, a color. I have a really like bright orangey Cassie 26 that I love, and I think he'll go nice on that as well. So that is the accessories that I picked up. I did pick up the Sage card holder or wallet and my little Rexy bag charm or keychain. So those are the 2 accessories that I picked up. And now for the more expensive item that I picked up, which I'll say like wasn't crazy or anything. I think $3.95 or something like that. And my Coach bag that I had in my thumbnail. And here this beautiful bag is, all gift wrapped. Again, I got these during the holiday season and they've been sitting. You get a little key, hang tag. So if you wanted to give these as a gift, then you can do so in the holiday season. But let's go ahead and open it up. This was a gift from me to me. And I really think that the Coach boxes are really beautiful. I'm likely gonna add a pair of Coach shoes to my collection, and then also a Coach belt to my collection here soon. And I just really, you know, I stay loyal to the brand. So I love the brand, and I'm excited that they've kind of made a little bit of a comeback. Inside the box, there's tissue paper. I just undid the tissue paper. You can see in the bag was inside in its dust bag here. So we'll open up the dust bag together. And this one was purchased in store, and I highly recommend that even in store, you ask them to gift wrap the item for you. Kind of similar shape to the Swinger. I didn't really realize until just now. I did pick up the Coach Mira bag in chalk. I've been loving the like half moon shape bags, And I just think that the Mira was beautiful. It's a beautiful chalk color, so like that creamy white shade. Just like the Swinger, you see genuine glove-tanned leather at the bottom. If you're not familiar, there is a girl on YouTube called The Gal's Guide, and she sells handbag feet that are magnetized. I'm gonna link her products down below and her channel, but I will likely add a couple little feet on the bottom just to protect the bottom of this bag since it is like a white cream color. But let's see if I can get all this fun stuff off here really quick. Okay, so I got all the wrapping off of the Mira, and here's the inside of the Mira. I will likely do a pack with me video here. You do get a little snap pocket on the inside here. So you get a snap pocket, you have the Coach tag on the inside, and then it's like a really nice like brown suede shade on the inside. And then, like I mentioned previously, the fun thing about Coach is they normally give you a couple of options as far as your handle goes. I do love the little brass C here. Of course, a big reason I love Coach is that my name is Courtney, starts with a C, and I feel like I'm getting personalized handbags when I use them, but I have my dust bag here. The first strap that you get with the Mira is a thicker leather strap. You can do, you can shorten it, so it can be a shoulder bag, or you can keep it longer, it can be crossbody, and it does adjust like a belt here. So this is the thicker leather strap that you get with the Mira. And then something that I love, just like I love the Cassies for this reason, is you do also get a brass chain. So I'm gonna throw the brass chain on here really quick. And of course, like I mentioned, this is the color chalk, but it's not gold that it comes with, it is brass, but it does give like that gold appearance. This is what it looks like with the brass chain. So this would be a higher shoulder bag, and it dresses it up quite a bit, elevates it a little bit. There's what the chain looks like. And then again, what I like to do is if I'm not going to use this, or if I want to use the leather strap instead, I would likely just keep the brass chain on it so that it's kind of adding something to the bag. And then I can use my leather crossbody, and this just gives a little something extra to the bag. But of course, if I wanted a more elevated look with the bag, I would remove the leather strap and just use the brass chain. And that's a big reason why I love the Cassies as well, because they come with that fun, shorter brass chain as well as the crossbody. So those are the items that I picked up from Coach. Let me know if you'd like to see a pack with me or a what's in my bag for any of these. I'm so excited about the Mira. I think it's a beautiful shade, a beautiful size. Definitely can fit an iPhone Max in here. If you're interested about fitting an iPhone Max in the Swinger, also would fit in the Swinger. And then I will have more Coach unboxings coming very soon. I have several items that are on my wish list that I want to get from Coach. And yeah, I've just been really enjoying their bags. I think they're great quality, and I think they're really fun to style and change up. So let me know what you thought of this Coach haul. If you have any of these bags, let me know if you want to see a pack or get what's in my bag with any of these. Thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind, give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel down below. Ring the bell notification if you want to be notified when I upload. I have beauty, fashion, handbags here. Whatever performs the best this year, I will likely just start making that type of content. So if you like the handbag content, let me know. If you like try-ons, I have an Abercrombie try-on coming soon. Or if you like makeup content, also let me know. Everything's linked down below so that you can shop if you liked any of these items. And I appreciate all of you. We'll see you in my next one. Bye.